Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my Honey Kiss Afghan. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, and be familiar with the verity stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3. I have already made 150 chains for my example blanket. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Then make 1 chain to skip 1 chain. Into this next one, make a single crochet. Now we're going to get into the sequence for this row. You're going to make 3 chains, skip 2, and then into this next one, make a single crochet. You're going to start repeating this. Make 3 chains to skip 2 chains. Into this next chain, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains to skip 2 chains. Into this next chain, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains to skip 2 chains. Into this next chain, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains to skip 2 chains. Into this next chain, make a single crochet. You can see how things are looking. You're now going to repeat this sequence of making 3 chains, skipping 2 chains, and then making a single crochet into the next chain until you have 2 chains left in this row. Once you get to the end of your row and you have 2 chains left, you're going to make 1 chain to skip 1 chain, and then into the last chain of this row, you're going to make a single crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. These 3 chains count as a double crochet stitch. You're going to skip the first stitch, skip the first chain space. Into this next single crochet, you're going to make a double crochet V-stitch. So it's a double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet all in that same stitch together. Now we're going to start our sequence for this row. You're going to skip the next chain space, and into the next single crochet, you're going to make a double crochet V-stitch. Skip this next chain space, into this next stitch, double crochet V-stitch. Skip this next chain space, into this next stitch, double crochet V-stitch. Skip this next chain space, into this next stitch, double crochet V-stitch. That's how everything is looking so far. So you're going to repeat this sequence by skipping the next chain space. Into the next previous single crochet, you're going to make a double crochet V-stitch, which is a double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet, all into that stitch together. You're going to repeat this sequence until you reach the end of this row. So once you get to the end of your row, you're going to have a chain space and a stitch left. You're then going to skip this chain space, and into the last stitch of this row, you're going to make a double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. So row 3 is going to be similar to row 1, where we made our single crochet stitches and these chain spaces. We're just going to be working into previous double crochet V-stitches instead of chains like we did in our first row. So into the first stitch of this row, make a single crochet. Then make 1 chain. And into this next double crochet V space, make a single crochet. Now we're going to get into our sequence. Make 3 chains, skip to the next double crochet V and make a single crochet into that chain space, make 3 chains, skip to the next double crochet V stitch and make a single crochet in that chain space, make 3 chains, skip to the next double crochet V stitch and make a single crochet in that V stitch space, make 3 chains, skip to the next double crochet V stitch and make a single crochet in that V stitch space. You can see how things are looking now. So you're going to repeat this sequence of making 3 chains to skip to the next double crochet V stitch and then make a single crochet into that V stitch space. You're going to repeat this sequence until you run out of double crochet V stitches to work into. So once you get to the end of this row and you run out of double crochet V stitches to work into, you're going to make a chain. Then into the top of these chains over here at the end of your row, these count as a double crochet. Into the top of those chains, you're going to make a single crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. I'm going to continue on and come back when my blanket is complete. So this is how my blanket is looking. I ended up making 60 rows total for a throw-sized blanket. And that is going to be how to make my Honey Kiss Afghan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.